BioHy Energy and its parent company, URH2, are new startup energy companies from Texas that have solved two of the most important problems facing renewable energy today: hydrogen affordability and hydrogen infrastructure. BioHy is actually solving two problems. In making hydrogen uniquely affordable, it's also ridding us of landfill garbage, raw sewage, agricultural waste, animal waste, and most especially methane that would otherwise end up as pollution. Capturing methane from landfills and sewage and making usable energy from it, either as heat or electricity for buildings, is nothing new. It's actually become common. What is new is converting that methane to hydrogen, and doing it in a way that yields uniquely low-cost hydrogen. So while methane, when captured, can be useful, hydrogen is much more useful because it's much more flexible. It's not damaging to the atmosphere, it can be sold on the open commodity market, and now it can even be used as a vehicle fuel. But up to now, the making of hydrogen has been a problem. Currently, the most common and least expensive way to produce it is by what's called steam methane reformation from natural gas. Here's the process. The cornerstone to BioHy's operation is a new way to make hydrogen called bioreformation. Its advantages over traditional steam methane reformation are multiple. It's simpler, it's more scalable, it's cleaner, it's less dangerous and volatile, it's easier to distribute, and it's dramatically less expensive. If bioreforming were merely cost competitive with SMR, that in itself would be a breakthrough. But look at the bottom line here. Look at these numbers. A kilogram of hydrogen is about the energy equivalent of 1 gallon of gasoline. So when you first see these numbers, it sounds like the same as $9 to $12 for a gallon of gasoline. Not too good. But keep in mind that a fuel cell car has 3 times the efficiency of an internal combustion engine car, which makes it more like a competitive $3 to $4 for 1 gallon equivalency. Now look at bioreforming. Instead of $9 to $12 per kilogram for dirty hydrogen, it's $2 to $4 a kilogram for clean hydrogen. The process is fully patented, there's a prototype, it's ready to go. Hydrogen is ready to go. All the issues that were holding it back in the past few decades have now been solved. Besides the fact that BioHy has solved the hydrogen affordability issue, URH2, the parent company, has solved the safety, storage, and distribution issues. It will do this by taking the energy that BioHy makes and, at least initially, targeting niche markets such as forklifts.
There are over 20 million forklifts in the world, and unlike cars, they don't require huge numbers of fueling stations. This means URH2 can bypass the proverbial chicken and egg problem by concentrating on large institutions like big box retailers to replace their entire forklift fleets with new hydrogen-powered forklifts. URH2 has 2 key advantages for entering the forklift market. The first is a newly patented, uniquely convenient, and uniquely cost-effective canister concept for containing the hydrogen. The second concerns what goes in the canisters. Many in the hydrogen industry know about hydrides, a way of storing hydrogen that, by bonding it to metals, eliminates virtually all safety risks, as well as any need to compress or liquefy the hydrogen gas. With their exclusive patent portfolio, URH2 is uniquely positioned to implement what is now the most advanced hydride technology. It contains 4 times the energy density of lithium batteries, twice the energy density of liquid hydrogen, with no need for refrigeration, and 2.5 to 5 times the compactness of the compressed hydrogen typically in use today, with no need for expensive compressors and extra safety equipment. It's also significantly lighter than all the other hydrides, With mass production and economies of scale, the cost of this revolutionary product is now set to decline dramatically. This is especially true with the U.S. military's recent decision, including both the Army and Navy, to invest heavily in this advanced hydride hydrogen battery. When that happens, the door opens up for URH2 to enter the vast new markets, including all manner of stationary and mobile power supply needs. The future is bright for URH2. Early investment possibilities are now open.
Hello, I'm Ray Gwynn. I'm CEO of URH2. With our unique patent portfolio, we're at the leading edge of how energy is manufactured, stored, and distributed. We're open for early investments. Please call me anytime at 214-796-4033. Thank you.